these two negative ion generators to review from ionbox. So let's take a closer look at how they work and compare the two. This is the ionbox. A nice compact size and look, it's kind of an off-white plastic. This one does require being plugged in. It comes with a USB cord, so you could plug it right into your computer, for example, and it also has the wall plug. You can plug the USB cord into this and then plug it into an outlet. The other one is much smaller. This is the ionMi. It's a 2-in-1 stationary and portable rechargeable negative ionizer. Great for at home and travel, even out and about. It comes with this great silicone case and a lanyard. So put this through and then feed the lanyard through that. You can wear it around your neck. You could hang it from the light next to your desk or something. I mean, really, really portable and easy to use this way. They've got both this long lanyard to wear it around your neck, as well as this shorter lanyard if you want to wear it around your wrist. This is rechargeable. There's no cord. I'll show you how it recharges. Right here with a built-in USB plug. If you have one of these lying around, you can plug it in and plug it in an outlet, or you could plug this directly into your computer. Really easy, so portable. Here we are side by side. You'll see how much smaller this is, but really similar weight though. Very lightweight, both of them. Both of them are small, but this one needs to be plugged in to use it, and this one you charge up and then use it wirelessly. You could use these right by your bed. I'm plugging this in to use at my desk in my office. Just push here. It's very quiet. You can feel the air just barely. It's not a cooling fan, but you can feel the air and the ions coming out. Really quiet. So I'm just gonna put that over here on my desk. Then for the ionMi, the on-off button is right here. You can barely see it. That is silent. Literally, you can't hear it unless you put your ear like right up to it, and then you hear the tiniest little buzzing, humming sound. Both of them say they will produce 20 million negative ions per second. But what does that mean? Basically, the negative ions will attach to pollutants to make them too heavy to remain airborne. So they'll like fall to the ground or attach to surfaces and no longer be at risk of inhaling. What pollutants? Well, we're talking dust, mold, pollen, food and pet odor, you name it. Also, neither of these include a filter, so you don't have to worry about changing or cleaning a filter. That's amazing. So there we have it. Both of these are amazing. The three main differences are the sound level. This one is a little bit louder than this one. This one is like completely silent, but both of them are nice and quiet, honestly. And then of course, this requires being plugged in. This one is wireless and rechargeable. And then the size, this one is bigger than this one, but they are both really nice and compact. I love these separately and together. I love the idea of getting them both. So you can use this at home. You could have one in your bedroom, one in your office, or you can move it around. And then this one is portable, so you can take it with you in the car, on the plane, you name it.